In this video, I will show you how to enable new settings homepage in Windows 11, Dev version. See new settings homepage not enable. Download vivetool and install in C drive system 32 folder. Download link below in description. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy the text key and paste the text key, then press enter. See the features added successfully. Restart your computer. See new settings homepage added successfully and working well. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.